Hi, we're going to make a face mask today. Hopefully it will help you with your virus problems, or at least give you some ability to go out and be a little bit more safe than you would be. Scientific studies, as shown here, show that some materials can protect against 0.02 micron particles such as coronavirus. Vacuum cleaner bag, cotton blend stuff. What we're going to try and do today is make something out of cotton, which will hopefully give us 50% more protection than we would otherwise have. It's not great, it's not perfect, do not disobey the rules about staying safe. This is based on a clip from a MakerBot Thingiverse project by J.K. Lay, designed to work with paper towels. Essentially you print off two of these clips, as you can see here, one for each side. He's done an instructional video, or at least there is an instructional video linked from that page to help you with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a piece of cotton material. We're going to double layer it. I will actually go down to a single layer later on, just as an example. And there's the printed clips and the rubber bands that go with it. So what we need to do is, using the clip as a template, we basically measure roughly the centre, and then we fold the cloth over so that it meets the end. What we then need to do is make sure we've got a nice sharp crease, and then we create a concertina fold. What that does is it gives us that bit of added stability at the top and bottom of the mask. You make sure the edge of the concertina fold is on the inside, so this will actually wrap around your nose and your chin and hopefully make things a lot tidier for you. So again, folding in the other side, using the pliers there to just weigh things down so they don't fall apart. Yeah, try to remember what I'm doing there. So we fold that over so that we make sure we get that crease on the inside. Now what we need to do is use the clips onto the end, just making that hole a little bit wider, because cotton's a little wider than the paper towel this was designed to work with. Excuse me. We use, again, the pins and holes on there should match up, and the theory is that the pins will actually poke all the way through the paper and go through there. As you can see, there are clips on the 3D printed clip things, which actually hold an elastic band in place there, which will eventually go around your ears like an ordinary surgical mask. So with the pin side on the inside of the mask, which will make sure that the elastic bands go on the outside and provide a little more stability when you pull it around your face, we then try and make that mask up match up. Yes, I know at this point I haven't put the elastic band through that clip, but I will notice that mistake in a second. It's very, very hard. So, bit of a jump cut there, I do apologise. But that's obviously me just cutting over towards putting the clip on. Now I think by this point I've actually gone to a single layer of cloth, because it was very, very difficult to try and get that through two layers. If you were going to do that, you'd have to modify the 3D print, this particular 3D print. Do that a little bit later on, so you will see something there that will give you some idea what we had to do to get this to work. So put the elastic band around there. And hopefully it fits on without snapping. These are old elastic bands. I think at one point through here it will actually snap and you'll see me have to replace it, but I don't know. Camera work while I just try and make that hole a little bit bigger on the clip to get through, and then we'll try and clip that side on as well. It's very simple to construct, very easy to make. Pliers are obviously just make sure that pin can go through and clip in place. It's supposed to be a friction fit. With paper towels it works remarkably well without any modifications, but paper towels are not particularly great shielding. Cotton's not as bad, it does work quite well. Vacuum bags are the best ones, I believe. So that's those clips on, and that's it, that's all there is. As you can see, when you open it up, it does open up into quite a sizable mask. So we'll do a quick jump cut over to trying it on and seeing what happens. So it's a very, very simple thing. This is a single layer. I do modify it later on to cope with the double layer that we did before, that we talked about and started with. So there I am, my lovely face. I'd say that with tongue firmly in cheek. Quick demonstration how that works. So it doesn't matter what way we put it on, it will fit on either way. As you can see, you just loop it on. I'm going to take the earphones out because I don't actually need them when I'm recording this. And that just sits nice and snug over your face. As you can see, it is quite tight fitting. The golden rule is do not fiddle with it once it's on. Once it's on, you leave it alone. I do take those. Yes, that did poke me in the eye actually. But yeah, so that's it. Simple as that. It fits. Do not play with it. Do not muck about with it once it's on. Leave it in place if you're out, because the less you move your hands to your face, the better. This is just a quick look at how the things fit together. A couple of bits of information about it is it could do with a little bit of modification to cut a hole that elastic band can fit through, just to make it fit a little bit tighter. Obviously without anything in between, it is quite a loose fit. The rubber bands do actually kind of make it stick up a little bit so it doesn't fit snug. As I say, you could do with either a channel or just some kind of cutout where the rubber band ends can pull through. As again, this is actually just a single sheet there. Back to the concertina fold to try and fit it in. After trying to fit that together, it just wasn't fitting very well at all. It's not the best for cloth. I mean, as I say, for paper towels like it was designed for, it's perfect, it goes through there fine. So what I was doing there was trying to fit it. Very, very shortly I do give up with that idea because the cloth just was not fitting through it at all. So I made a few modifications to it a little bit later on, as you will see in a second. What I've done essentially is taken the pins off the bar with the pins on it and replaced it with bolts and screws, bolts and nuts, sorry. A lot heavier, so a bit durable, but that is not going to come off. That is double layer cotton in there, held on with 6 bolts, very tight, very robust, isn't going to fall off. The only weak point is the elastic bands, because they're old elastic bands, but if they fail, then obviously you can just unscrew that a little bit without having to take the whole thing apart. Just loosen the bolts, loosen the nuts, and tie it all together, and it all goes together quite well. So that's about it really. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, like, share and subscribe. Remember, stay safe. Don't rely on this to keep you 100% safe. Do all your hand washing and everything else that goes with it, and see you